Okay students, today our topic is LCM, least common multiple. If you are new on my channel and you have not watched my videos regarding multiples and common multiples, then please hit the bell icon and also hit the subscribe button so you will get the notification of similar videos. And if you want to understand the concept of LCM, first saw the videos regarding multiple and common multiples, then come to this. Okay, now we will discuss about least common multiple. Least common multiple, by the word you can check that common multiple is clear to you, then least common multiple means that the smallest number that is the common multiple of the given two or three numbers. Okay, so in this video I will tell you the examples regarding LCM, that how we will find the LCM of two or three numbers. For example, I have 16 and 24. I have to find the LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, so if you don't know that what is prime factorization, then you can also go to my channel and watch the videos regarding prime numbers and prime factorization. In brief, I'll explain in this video that what is prime factorization. Prime factorization means break a number into its prime factors. Factor means a number which divides a given whole number completely, and prime number means those numbers which have only two factors, distinct factors, one and itself. Means factor means that number which divides a given number completely. Okay, so prime factorization. So I will make a grid like this, 16 and 24. So first I will check a least prime number that is a factor of these two. We all know that 16 and 24 are the even numbers. So the factor of these two numbers will be 2. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 1, 2 times 2 is 4. Now 2 times 4 is 8. Again, because these two are coming in 2 times table and 2 is the least prime number that we can take. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so in the HCF video, I have explained you that when the two numbers are not coming in the same table, then we will stop at that point. Okay, and multiply the given numbers and find the HCF. But in LCM, it's not the concept. In LCM and HCF, it's the main difference that you will solve it till it will come to 1. Okay, you have to solve it till the end when you will get 1. Okay, so 2 and 3 does not come in same times table. We all know that both of these are prime numbers and they are divisible only by 1 and itself. So you can take 2 or 3, anything first. I'm taking 2 because from the start it's 2. 2 times 1, 3 comes down as it is. Okay, you will not change it. Now it's turn of 3. 1 goes down as it is. 3 times 1 is 3. Now look, it's complete. 1 and 1. We have solved all the numbers. Now we have to multiply these numbers, so we will get the LCM of 16 and 24 by prime factorization method. 2, 2, 2. How many times I have 2? 4 times. Then 3. How I'll multiply them? 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 comes down. Now 4 times 4 is 16. Now 3. So now I'll multiply them. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 comes here, 1 carry. 3 times 1, 1 plus 48. So the LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. It's the least common multiple of 16 and 24. Okay students, if you like my videos, please hit the button like, also hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my next videos regarding these topics, and also subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends and other students who are lacking in these concepts and find guidance from this channel. Okay, thank you.